topic we are going to discuss about is fundamental principles of organic chemistry. And the subtopic is structural classification of organic compounds. So in the lecture, we are going to study about the cyclic compounds and their further classification. So cyclic compounds are classified into homocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic are further classified into alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. So homocyclic compounds are those compounds in which the ring consists of only carbon atoms. Homo means same और cycle means cyclic structure. So cyclic structure में अगर सारे atoms जो हैं वो carbon हैं, so they would be homocyclic compounds. They are further classified as alicyclic compounds or aromatic compounds. Next we have the alicyclic compounds. These are the organic compounds which contain a ring of 3 or more carbon atoms and resemble in the aliphatic compounds. So cyclic may we contain a ring of 3 or ali is derived from the aliphatic compounds. So we have cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclopentene. So these are all alicyclic compounds. Next are the aromatic compounds. These are the carbocyclic compounds which contain at least one benzene ring. Benzene ring is 6 carbon atoms with alternating double and single bonds. So here we have the benzene structure. So aromatic compounds are further divided on the basis of side groups. So these are having side chain. इसमें हमारे पास example है toluene की, aniline की और phenol की. And another classification is fused rings. So naphthalene में we have 2 fused rings, जबकि anthracene में we have 3 fused rings. Let's discuss a question. How many secondary carbon atoms are present in methyl cyclopropane? And the options are 1, 3, 2 or 0. Secondary carbon atom वो carbon atom होता है जिसमें directly 2 carbon atoms attached हो. So methyl cyclopropane में we have 2 carbon atoms that are secondary in nature. The next are the heterocyclic compounds. These are the compounds in which the ring consists of atoms of more than one kind. The atom other than the carbon atom is called heteroatom. Here we have some examples like furan, pyrrole, thiophene, pyridine, pyrimidine, purine. These are enough for you people. यहाँ पे you can see these are cyclic structures, but यहाँ पे we have a heteroatom. Furan में we have oxygen, pyrrole में we have NH, thiophene में we have S, pyrimidine में we have N. Here we have a question. Which of the following is not a heterocyclic compound? And the options are naphthalene, furan, pyrimidine or pyrrole. And the correct option is naphthalene. Naphthalene एक fused ring structure है जो कि homocyclic है. So this was all about the classification of cyclic compounds. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.